Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you've been following my modular workshop build series, you will know the most recent episode was installing this rather nice UPVC door. But once it was actually in, I did start to think a little bit more about security. And one of my subscribers, Ian, got in touch and said, had I considered installing an anti-snap barrel instead of just a standard one, which can be, I believe, relatively straightforward to break into. So I ordered one and it arrived this morning off Amazon, which is this one here. And I'll leave a link in the description if anyone is interested. Now, I suppose there is that old adage is you can't stop a determined thief. But maybe I could counter that with you might be able to deter an opportunist. So that's more what this is about, really. Now, this is the lock. And I have never fitted a lock before, so I was a little bit worried. But when I started searching on Amazon, and you might do the same, then I started to see all the numbers, 35, 35, 40, 35, 50, 30, all that. So I was like, oh, it immediately put me off. But that bit is relatively straightforward, as I'll just show you. All you need for that is a tape measure, and you need two measurements. The center fixing screw, which you can remove the lock in and out of, you will have one measurement going to the inside in millimeters to the very edge of what the lock that you've currently got in, and another measurement going from that center pin to the outside of that, which will give you a measurement in millimeters again. So it might be, for example, 50 millimeters, 40 millimeters, or 40 and 40, and that's pretty much how it works. Now, again, I've never installed a lock before. I see that quite a lot in this build series. But what do you actually need in regards to tools? Well, you need one of these, and that is it. So I'm going to quickly show you how I go about doing it, and then I'm also going to show you in the second part how I'm going to reinforce the drawbridge for a little bit of extra security. All right, let's do the lock first. So it literally is as simple as that. No need for any expensive locksmith or anything. All you need is a screwdriver and you can replace your own lock. Now, it did cost me about, I think it was about £30 for that lock. As I say, I did leave a link in the description, but you do get 5 keys with it and this bespoke code if you ever need to replace them again. And I was thinking of getting a couple of keys cut for the original lock that was in there. So maybe that's like, £6 each or something. So for that extra cash, I think it's well worth it for the extra security and the extra peace of mind. So dead easy, folks. If you're considering doing it, well worth doing. Now, if you're uninterested in the lock changing, you cut it off there. If you're interested in how to secure a drawbridge, then stay with me. Now, if you are new to the channel, you might want to check out my workshop build, but in particular, my bespoke drawbridge style access door for getting goods into and out of the workshop, which came in really handy recently when my planer thicknesser was delivered from Axminster Tools. Now, I want to improve the security on this a little bit. Currently got 2 latches on the inside. They're okay, but not brilliant. But my inspiration is coming from Game of Thrones, which is installing 2 of these, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. And they're going to go onto the frame. And the extra security will be from a big piece of 2x4 going across. So let's get these fitted. Let's see if I can find a piece of wood that fits. And then I think that'll pretty much be it. And that's pretty much it for this one, folks. I'm going to say, is it perfect? Probably not. Is it better than what it was? Most definitely is. Okay, as ever, everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.